Hi, I'm Ruben McRae, lead residential installer at Integrity Blinds and Shutters. If you have Hunter Douglas shades that use Generation 2 PowerView motorization, there are a few important tips that you'll need for programming the remote. In this video, we'll cover the steps for how to set the limits and favorite positions. Before we begin, if you're not sure if your motorization system is Generation 2, take a look at your remote. Gen 2 remotes have separate buttons, while a Gen 3 remote has one continuous surface. To set the shade's upper and lower limits, first locate the manual button, usually on the headrail. While holding the manual button, press the direction key on the remote for the limit you want to change. You should see the light on the motor turn red. The next step is to adjust the shade to the desired height with the arrow buttons. Then, you'll need to put the remote into programming mode. Press and hold the stop button in the center of the remote until you see the lights start to blink. Once the remote's in programming mode, hold the manual button on the shade and press the direction button again. The shade should jog to indicate it's accepted the new limit. Lastly, remove the remote from programming mode by pressing and holding the center button again, this time waiting for the lights to stop blinking. Now that we've covered how to set the shade's limits, let's look at how to set a favorite position. Start by placing the shade at the desired position. Hold the stop button to put it in programming mode. Once the lights are blinking, hold the manual button on the shade and hold the favorite button, which usually has a heart icon on it. For more tips on how to care for your window treatments, check out the other videos on our channel or visit our website at integrityshutters.com.